Hi, this silent solution. Today we are fixed how to this problem. This is next when I next cloud installation that problem we are getting. Let's go first of all see our PSP. It is PSP related problem. How to see this problem? Yeah, our PSP version is okay. Headphone at least. Right. But let's go. We are when PHP in ongoing process. Yeah, almost installation done. Now see we are again PHP version or PHP version is now updated. Let's go try again. I think this problem resolution. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching.